Hi, I'm David. I'm one of the interpreters here at Historic Brattonsville, and this is Time Travel Tuesday, where we shall be learning how to cook forced eggs and corn cakes.
The staples of late 1700s cooking would have been forms of pig and corn. Pig because it was easy to take care of, being more akin to a wild hog than it was a modern-day pig, and corn because it was a high-yield fruit. Pigs would have been big and hairy and strong, could find and forage food for themselves, and bred relatively quickly. Corn would have been easy to get, because you would just have a little bit of it when you came, and you would plant it, and you would get high yields, high amount of years of corn. The corn would then be crushed into more of a meal, being used as a replacement for flour, as opposed to wheat.
Alright. First thing you're going to want to do for making the forced eggs is you're going to need to put them in a pot of water to boil. Once you've put them into your pot, you're going to move them over to a nice roaring fire for them to get to where they boil. Now, once your eggs have been boiling, it's time to take them off. You'll let them wait just a little bit. Then you can take a spoon and you can grab your hard-boiled eggs, nice and ready for the preparation of a Scotch egg, or a forced egg as I've been calling it. You're going to need to take your hard-boiled egg and peel it. Now that you've hard-boiled your egg, it's time to move on to the sausage. What you're going to do with your sausage is you're going to take it, and you get a nice good handful of it. You're going to turn it into a patty. It's nice and patty-shaped. Then you're going to take your egg and to put sausage and the egg until it forms a nice sausage ball. The most important part of both of these dishes is a spider skillet. This is a spider skillet. It is called that because it has these nice little spider legs on the underside of the skillet. In order to use it, we need to get hot coals. I have had this fire burning for the last little while, so inside we have some nice, really hot coals. Grab ourselves a nice hot bed of them. Now that we have them all prepped, we'll set the skillet right on them. Let the skillet start to warm up. So, the final bit of preparation before you can cook anything on a spider skillet is making sure that it's got a nice bit of nonstick. Now this isn't traditional nonstick as in a can of Pam. This is instead lard. I'm going to say that's coated enough. I'm just going to grab a forced egg and set it in your pan. And so now you have to wait for the sausage to start browning on the bottom side that you currently have. Then you're going to flip it again and so forth. Once you've gotten it to an acceptable level of cookedness, you're going to take your forced eggs and set them on a plate. It's a very simple 3-part recipe. First part is going to be taking some cornmeal. I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of cornmeal, put it in a dish. Then an egg as well. Mixed with a little bit of water. So it should look kind of like pancake batter, only except with corn instead of flour. Now, whenever it comes to making corn cakes, just like you would at home, you're going to take a spoon and scoop it out of your mixing bowl and put little spots of it in your cooking implement. Once you've gotten them nice and cooked, You're going to take them and put them on your plate.
Thank you for joining me on this Time Travel Tuesday and exploring the southern staples in a spider skillet.